Welcome back to Terra Gardens, and welcome to our exploration of Foamflower, a charming perennial prize for its delicate, frothy blooms and attractive foliage. Foamflower gets its common name from its airy, foam-like clusters of flowers. These blossoms resemble foam on water, giving the plant a whimsical and enchanting appeal. Foamflower is native to woodland areas of North America, where it can be found growing in moist, shady habitats. Foamflower is prized for its attractive foliage and delicate blooms. The leaves are typically deeply lobed and have a distinctively serrated edge, adding texture and interest to the garden even when not in bloom. In spring to early summer, wiry stems rise above the foliage, bearing clusters of small, star-shaped flowers in shades of white, pink, or lavender. These airy blooms create a soft, ethereal effect that lends a romantic charm to shaded garden areas. To thrive, Foamflower prefers partial to full shade and moist, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. While it can tolerate dappled sunlight, it prefers best in areas with indirect light or filtered shade, such as beneath deciduous trees or along the north side of buildings. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant helps retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Foamflower complements a variety of shade-loving plants. It can be used to create charming woodland gardens, shaded borders, or container plantings. It pairs well with other shade-loving perennials such as hostas, ferns, creating a lush and textural tapestry of foliage and blooms. Consider incorporating spring blooming bulbs like daffodils or early blooming perennials like pulmonaria to extend the seasonal interest and add pops of color to the garden. As a versatile perennial, Foamflower has many uses in the garden. Its low-growing habitat makes it ideal for edging pathways, lining woodland walkways, or underplanting larger shrubs and trees. It also works well as a ground cover in shaded areas where it can spread and form attractive colonies over time. Foamflower's airy blooms attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it a valuable addition to wildlife-friendly gardens and woodland habitats. Foamflower is a delightful and versatile perennial valued for its delicate blooms, attractive foliage, and easy care nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Foamflower. Be sure to subscribe for more gardening tips and plant profiles.